Look at the size of this thing.
How do the blades stay still when it flies?
I wonder where it came from. Look at this writing here. Adan, 8, fuel. What is fuel?
I have not seen this before. Maybe it is water, but it says fuel.
Hit it here, right on the seam. Like this. Yes, again, harder this time. Look at these lines. They are like stitches in the metal.
Yes, but why this color? It is not natural.
Maybe it is a shield of some kind. Twende pamoja kujenga boma. Look at how they joined this section here.
It is very strong. We cannot bend it easily.
But we can cut it. We should use it for the roof of the dispensary. One more bundle before the light fades. Yes, hand it up slowly. The panel is secure. This metal is much cooler than the stones we used before.
Yes, but don't lean back too far. Remember what happened last week.
That was a good laugh.
I cannot believe this. The whole bird is gone. Which way did they go? Towards the village. We are gonna make them regret this.
How long are we stuck here with this wreck?
Till the morning light, maybe longer. Keep watch.
We're looking at the structure just past those trees.
Thermal shows 3, maybe 4 tangos.
Agreed. On my mark, we move simultaneous.
What is this helicopter metal doing here? You better start talking right now. Where did you find this? Get out of our village. We do not want this here.
Stand down! I said move back now!
Get into the huts right now. I know you have the missing parts hidden in there. Move! Faster!
This area is protected land. We do not want conflict.
We understand. We mean no harm under the sun.
We understand. We understand.
This belongs to us. You stole these panels from the crash site. I want them back now.
As the sun sets, we look to the heavens and our homes. We find strength in our traditions and in each other.
Osupa ilmurran. Etana mpala.
The stew is smelling wonderful today.
Yes, the goat meat is very tender.
We should add the vegetables now.
They are gone now, carried by the wind.
With steady hands, we work the metal, guided by the ancestors' wisdom.
And the lion, with eyes like the burning coals of this fire, roared across the plains.